Hey there, we're ShirtSpace, the shirt place, your one-stop shop for all things blank apparel. Today we're jumping into something that's all about comfort and style, the Gildan SoftStyle collection. This product line includes t-shirts, polos, tank tops, and sweatshirts. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect blend of softness and fashion, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore the features, variety, and overall goodness this style has to offer. Let's kick things off and start talking about what makes the Gildan SoftStyle t-shirt stand out. The comfort factor. The softness of these shirts comes from the ringspun cotton used in the fabric makeup. Comfort is great, but what about style? Well, the Gildan SoftStyle collection has you covered there too. These shirts come in a variety of colors to match whatever look you're going for. With the ever popular G640 coming in over 62 colors, there's literally a sea of choices to choose from, which can be a little bit overwhelming. The top colors are black, white, sport gray, dark heather, and heather royal. We will show you some more of these colors later on in the video. The fabric weight comes in at 4.5 ounces, which is about the perfect mid-weight shirt that isn't too light or too heavy. While most of the colors are 100% ring-spun cotton, there are a few exceptions to be aware of. Sport gray and antique heathers are made of 90% cotton and 10% polyester. And the graphite heather is made from 50% ring-spun cotton and 50% polyester. And the last exception are the heather colors, which are made of 35% cotton and 65% polyester. The collar is 3/4 inches rib knit and fits comfortably due to its stretchy nature. Moving on, this style has double needle stitching on the sleeves and bottom hem, tape neck and shoulders, as well as a tubular fit, which minimizes the torque. Like most styles, the tag is easy to tear away. The great thing about the G640 is it comes in various versions to fit your needs. Women can enjoy the G640L and kids the G640B. Need a long sleeve for the winter months? Well, we have the G644. Prefer a V-neck to a classic crew neck? Well, we have the G64V and the G64VL ladies version. What makes the Gildan SoftStyle collection truly special is its versatility when it comes to decorating methods. You can use both heat transfer vinyl and direct to garment print. The G640 also has heather colors, which are a favorite among those who like to bleach and then sublimate. The fabric makeup of these colors are 65% polyester and 35% cotton.
Speaking of bleaching, we have some news for you. The dark heather color has created some drama in the bleaching community. Gildan made a change to the base color of the G640 dark heather color, switching it from white to gray. We expressed our concerns to Gildan and they quickly jumped into action, reverting the t-shirts from a gray base back to white. However, we do have some remaining Gildan G640 dark heather colors with the gray base remaining in our inventory, so it is important to keep in mind that this mixed inventory will take some time to work their way out of our warehouses. What is important to note is that moving forward, the dark heather color will be manufactured using the white base, which appears lighter in color with a blue hue. The heather dark gray color will have the gray base and appears darker in color. Back to you, Jeremy.
If you like heather colors, there's another t-shirt in this SoftStyle collection that we wanted to mention, and that is the G670 CVCT. It also comes in the G670L, which is a ladies version for those looking for a more feminine cut. Other t-shirt styles in this collection include the 980, which was previously an anvil tee until Gildan acquired the company and brought it into the SoftStyle family. Another great option is the G650. Both of these are high quality, super soft, and worthy of the SoftStyle name. But the SoftStyle doesn't stop at t-shirts. Gildan also offers tank tops with the unisex 64200 and juniors 642L, polos with the 64800 and 68400L, and super soft fleece sweatshirts, the SF000 crew neck, and the SF500 hoodie. What makes the SoftStyle collection truly special and a popular choice among decorators is its versatility when it comes to decorating methods. With an inexpensive price point and a wide variety of colors to choose from, this shirt is a must-have in your lineup of custom apparel for your business. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. We really hope you found it useful. You can go and look in the description of this video below for the link to the products that we showed you, and go ahead and drop in the comments below your favorite style from the Gildan SoftStyle collection. We'd love to check them out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, since you're here, why don't you go check out these videos?